Does this have a light and flywheel on it?
Yeah, it does.
That could have something to do with the shut off as well.
Yeah, I guess it probably could. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know.